Hello and welcome back to Tips Tuesday. I'm Heather Jordan, Managing Director of TrustPoint's Emerge 360 division. Kids are back in school and year end is getting closer, which means it's a great time to review your finances, including your financial plan. In today's video, we will take a closer look at the importance of establishing a financial plan, what it is, how to develop one, and how to use it to reach your financial goals. Many people think that they're too young, too old, or don't have enough assets to establish a financial plan. Or maybe you're just starting out in your career. But the reality is, just like investing, starting early is key. Simply put, financial planning really sets the course for your future. It helps you see the big picture, financial security later in life, and how to get there today. It usually involves budgeting, insurance, taxes, asset allocation, debt payments, college funding, and of course, retirement planning. As your situation changes, your plan can change too. It will simply be your guide, making sure you know where you're going and how you're going to get there. Financial planning also involves setting realistic goals. Working with a financial professional on your plan can help ensure you maximize your savings and investment options to meet and exceed your goals. Starting a plan when you're still in your prime earning years will allow for time adjustments along the way. As we all know, things happen. A new job, additional children, new home, getting married, milestone moments you will be better prepared for with a solid financial plan. And as your situation becomes more complex, such as buying a second home, taking care of aging parents, or simply living your retirement years to their fullest, you can work with your financial professionals to make sure your plan evolves with you. A financial plan does take some time and you will have a little bit of prep work. However, we are here to help guide you and make the process as seamless as possible. And once it's developed, then it's easy to make updates along the way so you don't have to worry and can spend time doing what you enjoy most. We hope you enjoyed watching and found this week's tip helpful. If you have any questions about financial planning, feel free to reach out to our team at Emerge 360. We're here to help and to be your guide. Find additional resources and insights on financial planning on our website, emerge360.com. Thank you.